Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Oh yeah, baby, we got some bacon. We got some pasture-raised eggs. We got a little sourdough bread, just one slice. Colby Jack cheese. A little butter, a little pepper. Hola, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? It's another one of my very popular fried egg and ... some stuff on toast. It's good. Check out all my other ones. I got probably about a dozen of them. They're really good. You're not eating as much carbs, as much bread, so you just have one slice of toast. But this one you can't beat. This is bacon, fried egg. So I'm gonna fry those eggs, toast this toast, put this baby together, meet you at the stove. All right, we got a warm pan on medium. Gonna put some butter down. Oh yeah. All right, let's mixy schmixy that. Let's put 2 eggs down. 1. Here's the second one. Perfection. All right, as they're cooking, a little pepper, both sides. That should be enough of the peppers. Clean up some of this. All right. These babies are ready for the flipperoo. Now this is where it gets to where we need to be. So put it all the way down as low as you can. Put them close together. Take that bacon, put that baby on top. This one I don't think will fit. Put the cheese down. When this cheese is melted, I'll put this baby together. All right, you can see it's lightly toasted. We're gonna put butter on it. Cover it all with butter. Now there's that. Oh, that's big. That's the 2 fried eggs, bacon, but the way you do it like that, look at it, fits perfect. Let's bust into this thing. You can see the yolk. Oh yeah. There it is. There's the masterpiece. That's also the close-up. Let's take a big bite coming up. There we are. Can't beat it. Fried egg, bacon, cheese on sourdough toast. But it's not killer, Diller, or Barney Miller, unless it tastes good. I'm transfixed. Perfect. No, we got a little yolk there, see? I'm not messing around. Bacon is cooked really nice. Cheese melted. If you don't like that cheese, try something else. Sourdough bread, just what the doctor ordered. And the egg, creamy, healthy. Aha! There it is, baby. Check this out. Try my fried egg on toast recipes. I've got over, I think over 200 fried egg and sandwich. There's just so many things, plus other things about life, like Zen things. I Live Life 365 on YouTube. Till next time, peace. Sweet baby baboo.
Live life 365.
That one looks pretty good. You see this? This is my snack. My snack. I'm crunching bacon. Outtake crunch. That was disgusting. This is also something that needs to be considered for consumption. And delicious. Just so now came going home. Here's the deal. I need over 100 comments if people like my, not my beard, although I'm growing it. People like my outtakes. And if you don't, maybe I'll stop doing them. But I do them for you the Sweet Babu, and the Baba.